Okay, so this is part 2. Pictures. August 4th, 2007. 2 years older than me. That's August 4th, right there. August 17th. August 18th. September 24th. There's my dad right there. And there's my dad's fish. And there's September 26th, 2007, September 28th, 2007, September 28th, 2007. My dad accidentally made the fish bleed. And there's Michael Adams, December 29th, 2007. 22 pounds, 4 ounces. December 29th, 2007. 2 years older than me. 2007 is like 2 years older than me. January 5th, 2008. There's my dad and there's Mike. And there's my dad and there's the fish. There's my dad, there's the fish. January 25th, 2008. January 25th, 2008. Sorry for that noise in the background. My parents are doing church. Anyway, so there's Michael fishing picture. There's a fish picture. Alright, so there's a bass fish. January 26, 2008. February 7th, 2008. February 8th, 2008. Anyways, I'll show you. There's my dad's. My dad don't know his name. The comments are turned off, so you can't comment down below. Anyways, there's my dad and February 8th, 2008. February 16th. March 1st, 2008. How does a snow makes a plant grow? That was March 8th, 2008. That's a science question. Anyway, it says April 26th, 2008 fishing picture. May 10th, 2008 one. May 16th, 2008. My dad looks so mad. Well, you can't really see it on the camera, really. But my dad looks mad. He got his eyes open like that. He looks so mad too. Anyway, it says Mike. Yeah, my dad looks happy too. And of May 26, 2008. June 14th, 2008. Fish 6 pounds, 1 ounce. July 10th, 2008. Look. There's my cousin Daniel. No. November 28th, 2008. I mean, 25th. Wait, is this 25th or 28th? Oh, 25th. Shy about that. I meant the 25th. Shy about that. I got 2008's the year date on my head. Shy about that. Anyways, 11/25, 2008. Last year of 2008. Now we are in 2009. I was born in 2009. Guys, I was born in May 18th, 2009. February 9th, 2009. February 28th. March 7th. March 26th. My papa cried catching his fish. April 11th. June 26, 2009. And that's the picture. That's the baby picture of me. This is July 2nd, 2009. July 3rd, 2009. Shy. My dad catch a 5-pounder bit bass fish. Just so my dad, and there's some wine, so look, see. There's wine, so in pot for